What's up, guys? It's a good one, ain't it? Oh, Dad's got one. Here, how you get this? It is? Oh, yeah. It's not edible. It is. Oh, it made it leak. Oh, yeah. Really hooked too. So, Dad's caught that nice one. You want to turn back? Here, we're not going to pick on you. Take it very good.
Okay.
Well, there you go. It's just about a nice solid 2-pounder. I couldn't even get my line in the water.
Here we go. No.
Dude, Dad got another one. Yep, he's there. Oh, dang. Yeah.
There's another one, dude. Wow.
So we're laying smack down. I think this one. Oh, dang. He missed it. See, what? You're making me throw over here.
They're laying right over there.
Dang, my favorite. Caught my big one. No. Well, you didn't really get an intro. Scared them all. Oh my god. Dude, now it's gonna miss me. Oh no, there he is. Yep, there he is. Another pretty good one. Yep. I thought I had one. Yep.
Probably the smallest one we caught.
Yeah, it is the smallest one.
Oh, there we go.
Did what?
I got one.
Oh, you got one? Yep, he's got one. This is the smallest one we caught all day. It's,
Oh, yeah.
oh, that's a good one. Hold on. Oh, yeah. So me and Dad's going for it.
Oh, my ear. Oh, man.
Oh, hook come out. The hook come out as soon as I netted it. There we go.
It's too far.
Oh, here, don't zoom in. I don't like when you zoom in. You zoom in, just look weird.
No, no.
It really does. I'll have to take this one
I'll
off.
have to teach you how to do that.
Oh, right, there you go. That's about a solid 3-pounder. About a 1.
More than 3 pounds, I know.
He didn't even take off. Telling you, you would always come up here and use that green pumpkin.
Huh?
Green pumpkin red flake is mine. Tell it. No, we're just using like shaky. Just green pumpkin. I knew I had one because he was running off with it. I just couldn't really. He missed it. I guess he just come back for it.
Change the worm.
Huh?
Sometimes change the worm because they got to.
Oh, I know. I think we really do need to be positioned in front of it. Like we have done. It was a little chilly and foggy this one. No. Oh, yeah, I did have one. Did. I do got one. Oh, dude. We're moving. I can't tell. I probably wouldn't go with it. You can't go.
They're laying around there. That old road bed comes down through there.
Yep. Sponsor, I picked it. Oh my god. Dude, now it's gonna start missing them.
Not that round a little bit.
I did. I've been letting all of them run with it. Here we go too. Oh my god, see, I'm letting them run with it. I let them run with it for more than 15 seconds. It's the way we're positioned. I like when we're out straight. When we're dragging across something, they ain't gonna like it. Something when we're dragging this way.
Just a second, I'll back a second.
Hold on. Yeah, one of the guys over there, they left. There's one. Oh, there is one. Look, I'm letting run. It's the way we're positioned. They ain't. Yeah, here's out back to like where the front.
You're gonna stand more in the middle of the boat. Because you're gonna get back there in your seat or something. That's what's jacking the boat up.
What?
He's leaned
Ow.
over the side of the boat, is what I'm trying to say. That's pushing.
Yeah, I like this. Good. All right. All right. Let's cast out in the middle.
There we go.
Got hit.
I think I got one.
There goes. That's it.
Ah,
Oh, I see him. You can sit there and let him run with it. Let him run. Now they ain't gonna die. It's
I
like
think they're getting it so fast they're just not getting it.
I think they're picking it up and moving it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to sit down or something.
Can't sit down and see. I don't see why it makes a difference. Well, if I'm gonna sit in the middle of it. The middle of the boat, okay? Alright, Dad?
What are you talking about? Why don't you put your stick up and sit up?
I can't sit like that. I want to stand up. When is it?
There we go. Oh, son. Come off.
See, I can't. I can't see.
Oh, yeah.
Hold the boat here. Take it home. Yeah. Yeah.
I know I can see it. Don't.
Dad. You're on the wrong way. Good God, son. I can't freaking see. I'm getting blinded.
Pretty good.
Don't go in my line, please. Jump. Oh, never mind. Fuck, your weight was in his throat. Here we go. Another good one. That's pretty cool, right there. You get a little dance. Hey man, y'all geese gotta shut it. Can't even see where my bait's at. Here comes the wind. Well, I can't.
Keep going. I just missed the fish.
Huh?
I said I just missed one. That was it. Didn't let you go.
I know, but I was sitting like back here. Like facing towards the middle. Oh my God, can something go flare them up? Shut up. That's great. That's what the... Yes. Hand me a new worm. just getting old. Position back here. I'm facing the front. There's the boat. Dude. We need to be like where your line's at.
Oh.
Huh?
Okay, I'll reposition.
You see that? My line is running. Goodness, you see that? It was a shaky head. My line was going that way. Oh yeah, so that's. Look, there's one over there. It's always calm up in there. It's never out here like. This is calm right here, but it's so windy. It's thinking right here. And this is the spot that we're fishing with. It's just basically. That's just it. Big old point right here. They got shad pushed up, I think. And I think that's why I think that's why they're biting. There's going to attack anything that's coming by. So yeah. Wow, I'm over here on the thing. Maybe you'll get it off right here. I'm not gonna lie. So, we'll see some more videos of this place. Yeah, I'll just drop a comment down below. Bye.